Once you have finished installing your Schlage Home Keypad lever or Home Keypad deadbolt, you can enroll it in your home automation system with your Nexia bridge. First, disconnect your bridge from power and Ethernet. Install a 9-volt battery into the bridge to provide temporary power during enrollment. To enroll your lock, you will need the 6-digit programming code located on the yellow label on the lock installation instructions. The code is also located on the back of the keypad assembly. Hold the bridge within 6 feet of the lock during the enrollment process. Following are the enrollment steps. These must be completed within 30 seconds. Press and release the plus button on the bridge. The orange light will begin blinking. On the keypad, enter the 6-digit programming code. The Schlage light will blink orange 3 times and you will hear 3 beeps. Now press the Schlage button, then the 0 button. The Schlage button will blink orange. While enrollment is in progress, the orange LED on the bridge will blink rapidly. The enrollment process is complete when the orange LED on the bridge stops blinking. After enrollment is complete, remove the battery from your bridge and reconnect it to power and Ethernet. Your keypad deadbolt or keypad lever enrollment is complete. Visit mynexia.com for your next steps.